WordPress, adding posts. What we're going to cover today is how to add a post to your blog. Your website has a blog section. You also have a little section over here on your sidebar that shows the latest blog. Right now it's only showing one entry. If you click on the blog page itself, it only shows that there's one blog here. So we want to add another blog. We want to let people know what's going on. So you go to the page, in the address bar, at the end of your domain name, you add a / and then the word admin, and you hit enter. That brings you to your login page, which has your logo on here, which is super cool if you didn't know. We're going to add the username and password. And then hit login. I don't like to save the password. It's just me. You can if you want to. I don't like to do it. And I'm in. No problem there. Brings you to your dashboard. The dashboard has a bunch of things. Right now, it shows you right now, right there. And it shows you the content. You have one post. You have 18 pages, 5 categories, 0 tags. It'll give you a little thing, a little kind of update about what's going on with your site. You also have blog information here from WordPress itself. It's really not that important. Over here we have the menu showing the different areas of WordPress, different things you can do back in here. The thing we're going to concentrate on right now is posts. So you click right on posts. Brings you to the post page. It shows the posts that are already there. There's one that's showing. There's another one that's not showing. It says published here, and this does not say published, which indicates that it's not actually showing. As an editor, you can only really change or edit your own posts. You can't edit somebody else's posts, so we really can't do anything here. So what you're going to want to do is you can click on either add new post here, or you can click add new here to add a new post. This is the post page. It's pretty self-explanatory. You type in the title of the post here. You put the body of the post here. This is your WYSIWYG, which is a what you see, what you get editor. And then you have some other things to select and to do over here, and then some things on the bottom over here. Primarily right now, we'll just do some simple things. The WYSIWYG editor here allows you to bold things, italic things, cross out text, do bulleted lists, left justify, center, right justify, sort of like Word. It's not that complicated. You do have things like a thing here called ShowHide kitchen sink. If you mouse over any one of these things and wait, you'll get a pop-up and it'll tell you what that little tag does. So if you ever go into make a post and your WYSIWYG looks like this and you don't see the buttons you want to use, this little thing, kitchen sink, all it really means is everything you can possibly do. So this allows you to do other things like bring in paste plain text or paste from Word. Paste from Word is great because if you create your text outside of WordPress, which is what I recommend, that way you can spell check, you can edit, you can really make it correct the way you want to see it. And then all you have to do when you get here is just copy and paste. But when you paste things from Word, sometimes it brings over formatting, which you don't want on your blog. You want to handle the formatting in your blog. So when you click this, it actually opens up a little window, and you Control V, or for a Mac it's Command V, but you paste it in, and what it does, it'll strip out all the formatting and just paste in your copy, and then you hit insert, and that will strip out anything that's brought in from Word. And you have for styling text, you have different formatting for styling text. It defaults to the paragraph style. I'll show you what that means. But this is your WYSIWYG editor. So we're going to start by putting a title in. Grand opening. And then I already have some text copied, so I'll just paste that in there. Just paste it right in. And then you should choose a category, because it'll be a way of finding things for people, searching things on the front end. It's kind of identifying, a category identifies what this post is about. This is news, and it's also an event. So I click both. I could click just one or both, as many as that apply to it. And then you just hit publish. You'll get a little yellow bar up here and it'll say that it's been published, and your publish button will change from publish to update. So if you want to look at this, there's a couple of ways of looking at it. If you go up to the top here and you click on Let's Party, it jumps you back to your website. You'll see that you still have a control bar up here, but you're on your website now. And if you notice over here on the right hand side that lists the latest posts, it shows that we have one called Grand Opening. And if we click on our blog page, it shows that we have the blurb along with this blurb. And you click on it, and there's your post. In the next video, we'll be punching it up by adding some images and formatting the text.